Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the online scam that is related to the website Revon.live. Revon.live is a malicious website. Currently, it attacks Google Chrome and many other browsers. The website says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. It may also display some other frustrating alerts which try to make you scared about the condition of your computer. Of course, you shouldn't interact with all these pop-ups. Revon.live is indeed a deceptive site. Don't trust its misleading messages. If you click on this proceed button, you may simply be redirected to some other junk sites, and because of that, your computer may be infected with a lot of potentially unwanted applications. So, speaking about this Revon.live, don't ever interact with these deceptive pop-ups. Go to the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any suspicious extensions which could be causing such pop-ups, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and remove any hidden malware from your computer. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.